Hey, Emma. It's great to see you again. I'm Alex, by the way, from right here in California. How about you? What's your story?
Oh, hi, Alex. I'm Emma, and I'm from Texas originally, but I've been living in New York for a few years now. It's so nice to chat with you. How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, thanks. I just finished work and I'm starving. Speaking of that, I was thinking about grabbing some lunch. You hungry? We could talk about restaurants or something fun like that.
Oh, yeah, I'm always up for food talk. That sounds perfect. Actually, I've been thinking about restaurants today because I had a funny experience at one last week. It made me remember how tricky it can be to order in English when you're new to it, like for beginners learning the language.
Totally. I remember when I was a kid, my family took a trip and I had to order food in a new place. I was so nervous. Let's dive into that. Imagine we're at a restaurant right now. What would you say first when we walk in?
Good question. I'd probably look for the host or hostess at the door, the person who greets you. I'd say something simple like, "Hi, table for two, please." And if it's busy, they might ask, "Do you have a reservation?" What about you? Have you ever messed up ordering?
Oh man, all the time. Once I was at this burger place and I wanted a cheeseburger with fries, but I got tongue-tied and said, can I have a burger with cheese and those potato things? The waiter just smiled and said, fries? I felt so silly. But hey, that's how we learn, right? So for beginners, starting with greetings is key, like, hello, we'd like a table.
Exactly. And don't forget to be polite. Americans love saying please and thank you. When the host shows you to your seat, you can say, "Thank you so much." Then they give you the menu. Oh, menus can be overwhelming. All those words like appetizers, entrees, desserts. Appetizers are the small starters, right? Like salads or soups.
Yeah, spot on. Entrees are the main dishes, like pasta or steak, and desserts are the sweet stuff at the end, like cake or ice cream. I love looking at the menu and asking questions. For example, if something looks good but I'm not sure, I'd say to the waiter, "Excuse me, what's in the chicken salad?" Or, "Is it spicy?" Have you had any weird menu moments?
Oh, yes. Last month, I was at an Italian restaurant and I saw bruschetta. I thought it was bruschetta, but the waiter corrected me nicely. It's bruschetta. I laughed and said, "Thanks for the tip." It was embarrassing but fun. For beginners, practicing pronunciation helps. Like, repeat after me. "I'd like the pasta, please." Slow and clear.
I'd like the pasta, please. Nice. And if you're with friends, you can chat while waiting. Like, what are you getting, Emma? Or share stories. Hey, remember that time we went to that diner? The one with the huge pancakes?
How could I forget? Those pancakes were as big as my head. I ordered, "Can I have the stack of pancakes with syrup and bacon on the side?" But the bacon came extra crispy, just how I like it. Now I'm really hungry. In a restaurant, the waiter might ask, "How would you like that cooked?" For steak, you say rare, medium, or well done. Rare means a little pink inside.
Yeah, I always go for medium rare. It's juicy, but not too raw. And drinks, don't forget ordering drinks. I'll have a glass of water, no ice, please. Or, do you have soda? Coke for me. Simple stuff. But what if you're allergic to something? That's important for beginners to know.
Oh, absolutely. Safety first. You'd say, "I'm allergic to nuts. Does this dish have any?" The waiter will check. I have a friend who's gluten-free, so she always asks, "Is there a gluten-free option?" Restaurants are usually helpful. It's all about communicating clearly. Pausing if you need to think is okay too.
True, no rush. Speaking of, let's role play a bit. Pretend I'm the waiter. Hi there, welcome to Alex's Diner. What can I get for you today?
Okay. Hi. I'll start with the tomato soup as an appetizer. And for the main course, the grilled cheese sandwich. Oh, and a side of fries, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything to drink with that? Coffee, tea, or maybe a milkshake?
A milkshake sounds yummy. Vanilla, please. And how long will it take? I'm starving.
Chuckling, back to normal, about 10 minutes. See? That was easy. But in real life, sometimes the food comes wrong. Like if they bring ketchup instead of mustard, you can politely say, "Excuse me, I asked for mustard. Could I get some?" No big deal.
Yeah, politeness wins every time. I once got the wrong order, spicy wings instead of mild. My face turned red from the heat. I said, "This is too spicy for me. Can I swap it?" They fixed it right away and even gave me a free dessert. Turned a bad moment into a good one.
That's awesome. Stories like that make eating out fun. Hey, what about tipping? In the USA, it's a big thing. After paying the bill, you leave extra money for the waiter, like 15 to 20% of the total. Beginners might not know that.
Good point. The bill comes and it says subtotal for the food cost, then tax, and total. You calculate the tip on the subtotal. If the bill is $20, tip $3 or $4. You can say, keep the change if paying cash, or add it to the card. It's a way to say thanks for good service.
Exactly. And if the service was amazing, tip more. Now, let's think about different types of restaurants. Fast food, like McDonald's, you order at the counter. Hi, one Big Mac meal, medium size, to go. To go means takeout.
Or dine in, which means eat there. At a fancy place, it's more formal, but still simple English. Reservation under Emma, please. Or at a buffet where you serve yourself. This looks delicious. Pass the plate. Buffets are great for trying new words, like roast beef or mashed potatoes.
I love buffets. Endless food, but watch out for overeating. Last time, I ate so much pizza I couldn't move. No more slices for me. Humor aside, restaurants are perfect for practicing English because you talk to real people.
So true. And with friends, it's even better. You can share, like, want to split the appetizer, or complain lightly. This coffee is too hot, but always with a smile. It builds confidence.
Yeah, and cultural stuff, too. In America, we chat with waiters sometimes. How's your day? Makes it friendly. Not like in some countries where it's more quiet.
Totally. I was in Europe once, and it was different. Less small talk. Here, it's warm. Oh, and don't forget dessert. I'll have the chocolate cake, please, with whipped cream.
Now I want cake. But seriously, ending a meal with something sweet is nice. Then, when you're done, check please, or bill please, pay, tip, and say thanks. Have a great day.
And if it's a date or with friends, you might say, "This was fun. Let's do it again." Like us right now. Talking about restaurants makes me appreciate simple conversations.
Me too. For beginners learning English, practicing at a restaurant is low pressure. Start small, order coffee, build up to full meals. You'll make mistakes, but that's okay. Everyone does.
Exactly. My takeaway? Restaurants aren't just for eating. They're for connecting, laughing, and learning. Next time I'm out, I'll think of this chat. Thanks, Alex.
Thanks, Emma. This was great. Catch you later?
Definitely. Bye for now.